Example 4, shape and space 6. Very simple, very straightforward. O is the center of a circle. The length of chord AB, as you can see, O is the center of the circle. The length of the chord AB is 18 centimeters. As explained in the question, OM is perpendicular to AB. OM is perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular means it makes an angle of 90 degrees. Perpendicular to AB. Work out the length of AM. Work out the length of AM and state any circle theorem that you use. Now, I will say it and I will repeat it again and say, if the length coming from the center of a circle, like now coming from O, happens to be perpendicular to a chord of that circle, then that length, be it a radius, be it just like a length like OM, be it a radius from the center to a point on the circumference of the circle, is not only perpendicular to the chord, it also bisects that chords into two equal portions. Of course, we know bisecting is dividing into two equal parts. So, any length that is coming from the center of the circle and it is perpendicular to a chord of that circle, like now we have chord AB, is both perpendicular to the chord and it also bisects that chord. In other words, if AB is equals to 18 centimeters, then AM is equals to 18 divided by 2, 9 centimeters. Because any length, any line, and let us highlight something here. A line from the center of a circle is perpendicular, which is perpendicular, let me say this, which is perpendicular to a chord, also bisect that chord, and we all know that bisecting means dividing into two equal parts. That is why the length AM is exactly equals to 9 centimeters. Thank you.